Hey everyone, this is Bill, and welcome to the channel. Today we are focusing on stock market investing, and we appreciate you taking the time to join us. While I have been grabbing some positions in a slew of biotech firms in recent months, it's not the only industry I think can continue to progress with a suspect marketplace. One other area that attracts me is the semiconductor industry. This is an area I'm not overweight in, so I'm eager to find what I deem to be some quality companies to add to my portfolio, and I think I have found one in MoSys. This is an intriguing company with wide tentacles that seems to really be flying under the radar, which really excites me. What exactly does MoSys do? The company was described as follows. MoSys is focused on accelerating data intelligence and provides both silicon chips and IP solutions that enable fast, intelligent data access and decision-making for a wide range of markets including cloud networking, security, 5G networks, smart NIC, test and measurement, and video systems. MoSys Quasar family of high-speed memories and the Blazar family of accelerator engines are memory-integrated circuits with unmatched intelligence. Now I know MoSys seeks to accelerate data intelligence and movement along with security and 5G, enterprise, and cloud, but to boost our knowledge, let's take a listen to a short promotional piece from the company.
Can you remember a time when you didn't rely on instant access to data on your smart devices for personal needs or to drive your business? Artificial intelligence, the cloud, and the Internet of Things continue to revolutionize the way we complete our daily tasks. The staggering amount of data generated and the processing power required to process that data is starting to take a toll on our infrastructure. Instant connectivity is taken for granted in today's fast-paced world, and the expectations are only getting higher. For these reasons, technology leaders like MoSys are working with leading suppliers of FPGAs to accelerate the movement and security of data across the growing 5G cell networks and the ever-expanding Internet. MoSys can take advantage of the latest FPGA acceleration cards available in some of the world's largest data centers to accelerate both the security and routing of high-speed information. The new MoSys Stellar packet classification platforms are optimized for access control list lookups for network firewalls, anti-DDoS applications, and high-performance routing, including longest prefix match lookups for 5G user plane functions. The MoSys Stellar solution can also be used with MoSys memory chips to support millions of rules at hundreds of gigabits per second. MoSys is accelerating data intelligence. For more, visit MoSys.com.
Over at Seeking Alpha, the data notes a strong cash position for the company and some institutional ownership, which gives us some sound foundational footing. TipRanks did not note any analysts following the company, but did give the stock a neutral rating with a very negative sentiment from the family of TipRanks investors, along with some bullish momentum from the technicals. Investors.com gives MoSys a composite rating of 59, which is a very average score. But while the earnings per share is weak, the relative strength rating and the accumulation rating are very strong, both of which are impressive trending indicators in my mind. In reviewing the charts, we can see on the daily chart a base being formed since July, but we find on the weekly from IBD an ascending pattern on higher positive volume. We see the same thing in a review at tradingview.com, but on the daily chart from FinViz we get a more clarifying view. Since June, we see a bullish ascending symmetrical triangle pattern forming with higher lows, with the convergence arriving soon, with that pattern indicating a higher breakout on the horizon. I don't pretend to be a scholar on semiconductor development, but in this current world, a company that focuses on semiconductor development with a worldwide chip shortage going on that has an emphasis on cybersecurity seems to be operating in some kind of sweet spot. Perhaps others agree. MoSys has entered into a definitive agreement with Paraso Technologies, which many feel is quite a bullish merger. After the successful merger, the company will then trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol PRSO. The company will hold a special meeting of stockholders to finalize this deal on November 23rd. This merger should only enhance the company moving forward. Now, I initiated a small position in this stock in the middle of the third quarter and have a very small profit at this time. But I'm very excited about the prospects of this company, and an examination of the charts scream a move to the upside is looming. I feel well positioned for this ride. So folks, drop me some comments and let me know what you think about MoSys. I would like to hear any analysis that you may have. So as we wrap up the video, please consider liking and subscribing to my page if you've enjoyed the content. And I thank you for taking time out of your schedule to watch. Please take care, and we will see you next time.